Aloha Commissioner, aloha to all. Mahalo for your time. Robin Newhouse, Keokea Homestead Association President. I would like this to not happen. We as Hawaiians, lessees, beneficiaries have waited so long for every little bit that we have to just cut a pipe and give somebody their way. No, I'm sorry. I don't think we should be the ones giving up any little thing that we can get just because it's convenient or close by for someone else to profit off their properties, which already exist and has water. So I vote no to the infrastructure easement. That's it.